All right, for our last one here, okay, factors are a lot smaller, or fewer of them, because factors of 21 are just simply 1, 3, 7, and 21, and the factors of 1 are 1. It's always nice when you have no leading coefficient, which essentially is going to be 1. So every one of these numbers is over 1. So plus or minus 1, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 7, plus or minus 21. And my answers are going to come within those first 3. So let's start with 1. 1, 8, 2, negative 32, and 21. We drop the 1, we get 1. 8 and 1 is 9. We get 11. We get negative 21. And that's 0. Now this is why you try the number again. 1, 9, 11, and negative 21. Watch what happens. We do 1, we get 10. We get 21. We get 0. And we're left with x squared plus 10x plus 21. The factors of 21 that add to 10 are x plus 3 and x plus 7. And now I still need to account for x minus 1, x minus 1. So my zeros are negative 3, negative 7, 1, and 1. I'll probably put all 4 of them down, although you really only need to put that 1 down once. Okay? You'll have a question like that in your test where that 1 appears twice. Are there any questions with that? Concerns? Issues?